So good evening everyone, this is lecture number 10 and we are running late and I don't like being late. What we discussed in the last class was we were discussing questions and we had discussed a particular question where we had to find out the magnification using a simple formula. How are we going to solve questions? Every question, each and every question that is going to be coming to you in your exam will be from these five formulae that I have written for you. Out of these five formulae, the question would be coming from these five formulae and from nowhere else in this universe. So just we'll have to use this formulae. Even in these formulae, I will mark which are the important ones from which questions would be coming. That would be formula number 1, formula number 2, and formula number 3. Formula number 4 and formula number 5 are basically out of your course, not out of your course. It is out of the sphere of NEET K physics K question because they will not ask such a difficult question where you have to use formula number 4 and formula number 5. 1, 2, and 3. Everyone is aware of these three formulae, yes or no? Even if you are in your deepest sleep, if I wake you up, what is the formula of M? You should be able to tell me. Can you do that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct? Will you be able to do that? Formula number 1, 2, and 3, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Even in your fastest dream, you are in your wildest dream, and you have become Tom Cruise, and what? You are in that Top Gun movie. If I wake you up, you wake up and you tell me the formula of magnification, and you should be able to tell me the formula of magnification. And that is the first question that is coming up. Question number 1. Everyone, every eye is on the board. And this is the question coming up. These questions have come in previous years. During my time, they have come in engineering exams, engineering entrance exam, and we can expect that similar question or maybe the same question is going to come in your NEET. The question goes like this: an object 5 centimeters tall is placed 1 meter from a concave spherical mirror which has a radius of curvature of 20 centimeters. What is the height of the image? Everyone got the question? You don't have to draw any diagram, you don't have to do anything, you just have to tell me the answer. And how are you going to do it? You only have three formulae. And using those three formulae, you are supposed to tell me the answer. And I'll give you 1 minute to do this. Will you be able to do this? Can anyone tell me how are you going to do this? How are you going to find the size of the image? Alright? How are you going to find the size of the image? First, you will find what? What is given to you? The radius of curvature is given to you. That means you know the focal length. The distance of the object is given to you. That means you know the value of u. The size of the object is given to you. So height of the object is given to you. You have to find the height of the image. Now there are different ways in which you can do this question. First, you can find out the value of value of v. Then you can find out the value of m, and from the value of m, you can calculate the height of the image. But remember, your exam is a speed of your test. So instead of finding out v, use the formula of magnification directly. Use the formula of magnification directly and tell me what is the magnification coming. Which formula of magnification are you going to use? The formula which has f and u. I'm not going to tell you the formula. You have to tell me which formula are you using, and your time is about to end. Anyone with an answer? Are? Hmm? Shall I do it? Only these formulas, these three formulas, gentlemen and ladies, boys and girls. Only these three formulas you have to apply. Formula number one, formula number two, formula number three. Anyone with an answer, my dear friends? Shall I do it? Okay, so what is step number one? Step number one is straight away find the value of magnification. And how do I get the value of magnification? It is f upon f minus u. Please raise your hands and tell me that we remember this formula, sir. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you just put the value of f. How much is the value of f? Remember what type of mirror we have? We have a concave mirror. What is the value of f? Tell me, bacha.
20 centimeters.
What is this 20 centimeters, my dear friends? What is this 20 centimeters? Open your eyes and the universe is beautiful. What is this 20 centimeters? What is this 20 centimeters?
Radius of curvature.
So what is the focal length, my dear friends?
Sir?
10, sir.
Array, say with sign, sir. Without sign, nothing matters, sir. Concave mirror, sir. Focal length, sir. Positive, sir, or negative, sir? What, sir? Seems you have forgotten. Well, it's a sad day for me. Concave mirror, the focal length is positive or negative? For a concave mirror, is the focal length positive or negative?
Positive, sir. Negative, sir.
Very sad state of affairs. Very sad state of affairs. If for you focal length of a concave mirror is positive, that means you have not even cared to have a look at what we had done in the previous 9 classes, and everything goes down the drain, puchak, and it got flushed, dhadak. And right now it is in the drainage system, moving out of Hyderabad. Probably it has now reached out of Karnataka. Sad. Very sad. Well, focal length of a concave mirror is negative. Do you remember this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how do I get the focal length? I am really very disappointed. You don't remember the focal length of a concave mirror? This is a serious a crime as committing a murder. You have murdered the entire physics that I have taught you. Anyways, my fault. Focal length of a concave mirror is negative. And how do I get the focal length from the radius of curvature? Can you tell me that? From the radius of curvature, how can I get the focal length?
Minus 10, sir.
Minus 10, sir. It is r by 2. Radius is 20. Radius of curvature is 20. Divided by 2, 10. So focal length is minus 10. So I write minus 10 here, my dear friends. Divided by, again, focal length, that is minus 10 minus, what is the value of u, my dear friends? U. U is right there on your screens.
-5, sir.
Arey, open your eyes and see the world. Universe is beautiful. 4% of it is what we see. Please read the question. Someone read the question. An object 5 centimeter tall. How can 5 centimeter be the U of this year? It is the height of that object is 5 centimeter beta. What is the value of U? Please read it again. Open your eyes. Universe is beautiful. 4% of it is what we see. What is the value of U? Question passes out again. No one knows the value of U? Well, the value of U is it is placed 1 meter from the concave mirror. So the value of U is how much? Value of U is how much?
1, sir.
Should I write 1 here? 1. Correct? Or should I do something else?
Sir,
Yes.
if you don't scold, can I try?
No, I will not scold. Don't worry, I am not scolding. Yes, say.
Is it 100, sir?
Yes, it is 100 because we have to use everything in the same units. This is in centimeter, this is in centimeter. So it cannot be 1. It has to be 100. Yes, that is correct. So shall I write 100? 100. Okay, I've written 100. Anything else should I add or subtract? Yes, anything else or should I just calculate it from here?
Sir, it's -100.
Why it is -100? Because we have to use everything with proper sign convention, my dear friends. And U is always negative. Did I tell you that or not?
Yes, sir.
Well done. And that is your answer for magnification. So your magnification will come as -10 divided by how much? -10 divided by 90. Yes or no? This is the value that I will get. Do we agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that should be equal to what, mere bacha? That should be equal to what? It will be equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is my height of the image, beta? Height of the image is height of the object, which is given as 5. 5 multiplied by -10 by 90. So it is -5 by 9 centimeters. Do we understand this, bacha?
Yes, sir.
What does this negative sign indicate? Can you tell me? Why is the sign coming negative, my dear friends? What does it mean? Height of the image is coming negative. What does it mean? Remember, answers are always going to come with proper signs. My answer is coming minus. My height of the image is coming minus. What does that mean?
Image is real.
Okay. It means that the image is inverted. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means the image is real. Well done. Image is inverted. That is why it is coming as negative and the image is real. Now tell me, do you have any doubts on this?
No, sir.
Everyone, please note it down because in the next question you will have to do with your own small hands. And I expect that you will not disappoint me with the next question. Everyone has noted this down, my dear friends? Remember, we are only using formula 1, 2, and 3, and we do not need anything else. Shall we move on to the next question, dear friends?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And this question you will have to do, this is a challenge question. It comes on your screen right now. An object of length 2.5 centimeter is placed in front of a is placed at a distance of 1.5 f. Remember 1.5 f. 1.5 f from a concave mirror where f is the magnitude of focal length of the mirror. The length of the object is perpendicular to principal axis. So it is not length, it is height basically. It is not length, it is height. It is perpendicular. Remember, we have studied about two types of magnifications, yes or no? One is transverse magnification and the other one is longitudinal magnification. Do we remember it, Pacha?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Well done, sir. So this is the question, sir. The length of the object is perpendicular to the principal axis. What is the length of the image? It is, you have to also tell them from the answer whether it is erect or whether it is inverted. I'm giving you 1 minute and I'm hopeful that you are going to solve this question and tell me the answer. And you will not disappoint me. In this question. Yes, my dear friends.
Sir, writing question, sir. 1 minute.
Oh, writing the question. Okay. You don't have to write the question completely, beta. You can just write it in short. You know how to write it in short? You can write this as length of the object or height of the object hi. Height of the object hi is 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Then you can write the value of u is given as 1.5 f and focal length is given as f. You have to use proper sign convention. You have to see what type of mirror is this, and then you have to find the length of the image. Remember, here the object is placed perpendicular, so the length actually means its height. Okay, you have this. You have this. What do I say? This package with you, yeah, right? I'll ask her to send me the package. So what I'll do is I will do the questions from the package, and that will make the process a bit faster. Okay, so that we can do the question from the package itself. I'll do that in the next class if I can get the package. Okay. Otherwise, you are wasting time in actually um, writing the question. I don't want that.
Sir, it's H O now, sir.
Oh yes, my dear friend. Yes, bacha. I was wrong. It is HO, not HR. Correct. It's HO. Or what I'll do is, either I will get the package from your sir, or I'll send my exercise to you. You can solve that exercise and you can do it quickly. Okay. So I'll do one of these rather
Okay,
than you
sir.
writing the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That would be better. No,
Yes, sir.
you will not have to spend time in writing the question. Time is a liberty that we don't have.
It is time saving, sir.
Yes, I'll do that. Don't worry. I'll just call them up and I will do it. On the next class, we'll be doing that same thing. Don't worry. Okay. Chalo then. Yes. So how are you going to do this? Anyone? Again, we can use the same formula. Yes or no, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
So magnification is f upon f minus u. Yes or no? So focal length. What type of mirror is this? Concave mirror. So I've written minus f divided by minus f minus. What is the value of u here, my dear friends?
Minus 1.5.
Minus 1.5.
Well done, dear friends. Good. Now you can see f will get cancelled. And what is the value of magnification that you are going to get, beta? Are you going to get minus 2 from here? Yes or no? Can you solve this? This entire thing will be equal to minus 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I have raised hand from everyone that we understand this? This is minus f divided by minus f plus 1.5f minus f plus 1.5f will be plus 0.f minus f divided by 0.5f. Ff will cancel. 1 divided by 0.5 minus 1 divided by 0.5 will be minus 2. Do we all understand this? Yes or no? Well done, dear friends. Then I can simply write height of the image divided by height of the object is equal to minus 2. Now, can you tell me which option is correct? A, B, C, D. 4 options you have got, dear friends. Can you tell me which option is correct? And the answer is answer is
5 centimeters inverted, sir.
5 centimeters inverted, sir. That is correct. The height of the object is 2.5 centimeters. To multiply 2.5 by minus 2, you will get minus 5. Minus 5 will indicate that the image is inverted. Do we understand this? Can I have raised hand from everyone? Boys, do we understand this?
Sir.
Yes,
Sir.
beta.
I
Yes.
did the answer, sir.
Well done. See,
But I was confused in it was erect or inverted.
see, beta. See, beta. If the height of the image is coming positive, that means it is erect. If the height of the image is coming negative, that means it is inverted. Is it so confusing?
Okay, sir.
Correct?
Sir, next time I'll try to be even more faster.
Remember, these are tough questions for NEET. Probably this is the toughest question that you will get in NEET. I'll show you the question that you're going to get. You'll be surprised to see the questions. But it is my humble duty to tell you all the questions, the most difficult ones which are possible. These are the most difficult ones which are possible. Are we ready for the next one, my dear friends, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here comes the next one, and let us see who does it and who does it fastest. Fastest finger first. So the point in time where this Kaun Banega Crorepati has that round, fastest finger first. Does it still have that round? Fastest finger first? I don't know. I have not seen it. And here comes the question. The question is very simple. A convex mirror, my dear friends, remember the mirror has changed. A convex mirror has a focal length of f. A real object is placed at a distance f in front of it from the pole. Where will it produce the image? And the options are A infinity, BF, CF by 2, D 2F. And I will wait patiently for your answers, my dear friend. And I know that you can do this. I have faith that children would be able to do this. My dear children, small children, big children. Are you feeling confident that you will be able to do this? I'm waiting. Arey, who calls here? Who is calling on a live class? I am certainly not. Who called? Okay, the call has been disconnected. That's good. Yes, my dear friends, I still wait for your answers. Call or no call. Arey, where is the answer? Hmm? No one with an answer? Yes, my dear friends, how are you going to do this? You have to find the position of the image here, beta, not the magnification. Magnification has got nothing to do here. So just apply. Remember, I've only told you three formulas, my dear friends. Three formulae, three formulae, three formulae, three formulae. And you have to apply those three formulae. One of those three formulae. Yes, do we have an answer for this one? No? Yes, yes, no. Shall I do it? Shall I do it? So how are you going to do this? I am going to apply the formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Right? What happened to my F? 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F, and I just put the values. 1 by V, I have to find the value of V, so 1 by V remains 1 by V. What is the value of U here, my dear friends? Tell me what is the value of U? What is the value of U, my dear friends? Tell me. What is the value of u, my dear friends?
Minus
Look
F.
at here, it's a real object, so u is negative and the distance is f. So tell me, bacha, yes?
Minus F.
Yes. Raise your voice and tell me. Don't worry, even if you're wrong. Right and wrong are, you must speak. Right and wrong are immaterial. Minus 1 by f. What about the focal length of a convex mirror? Is it positive or is it negative?
Positive.
That's it. So I put 1 by plus f. And you solve this simple equation and you get the value of v. I'm not going to solve it because I want my kids to do this. Can you tell me what is the value of v, my dear friends? What is the value of v, my dear friends? Quick, 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 quick. Which is the answer? Quick, quick. And the answer is
F by 2.
f by 2. Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus f by 2. What does plus f by 2 mean, bacha? Is it a real image or it is a virtual image? Is it a real image or a virtual image? V is coming positive, my dear friends. Is it a real image or a virtual image? It is a real image or a virtual image? Is it a real image or a virtual image? And the answer is, it is a which image?
Virtual image.
Remember, I told you, convex mirror cannot do one thing. What is that thing it cannot do? It cannot create real image of a real object. Here the object was real, so image has to be virtual. Do we remember this?
Yes, sir.
And see, the answer is coming. And I also told you, image is always formed between the pole and the focus of the convex mirror. See, it is between the pole and the focus. Yes or no? No or yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whatever we had said, the same thing is coming to you. How many of you could do this question? Please raise your hands. Girls could do this. Boys? Abhinam could do this. That is why boys do not make good doctors. Girls do make good doctors. And I love this. Okay, now here comes a question from your NEET ka exam. And you will be surprised to see the sort of question that you are going to face in the NEET ka exam. And here it comes. This is NEET previous year question. I think it was in the year 2015 or 16, somewhere like this. These are the type of question that you are going to encounter. A question which you will read and answer. A question that you will read and answer. Read and answer. An object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. The image produces 10, 10, 10, 4 options. I've already told you the answer in that theory. Which option is correct, my dear friends? Bring it on, bring it on.
Sir,
Yes, bacha.
if I say you won't scold, no, sir.
No, I don't school. Yes.
It's
C, sir.
I was saying that only, sir. Real inverted
Real
and
inverted
diminished.
and diminished.
That is wrong, my dear friends. Arey. See, you don't remember. Focal length is 20 centimeters. Where is the object placed? 40 centimeters. So where it is placed? It is placed on the center of curvature. Do you remember this center of curvature? Do you remember this center of curvature? The object is placed at the center of curvature, my dear friends. So the image will be of the same size. Do we remember this? And see, I told you, these are the things that you must remember because these things are going to come exactly in your paper. And I will tell you, see, I just gave you this. See, so many times I have told you this. See, even in the important points, I gave you this. When the object is at the center of curvature, u is equal to 2f, magnification is 1. That is the point where the object and the image are of the same size. How many times I have told you this? See, one this small table I told you this. See, you don't remember, my dear friends, and that is the problem. You don't remember. See how many times I have told you this. How many times? How many diagrams I have shown? See this diagram. See this diagram. See this diagram. How many times? 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 See this entire jiggly piggly here. See how many times I have told you this. Yes or no? It seems that you are not studying at home, and that is a big problem. Are you not getting time to study at home, beta? Is your schedule too tight, too packed, that you don't get time at home? Tell me. It's a serious question. And I'll ask you these people to give you some time. Are you not getting any time, bacha? Tell me. Chalo. You don't want to say it. And I always keep on telling you, saying that what? Kids are like vouchers. They can redeem themselves whenever they feel like. And this is the chance for your redemption. You can redeem yourself with this question, my dear friends. And again, this is from your NEET exam. I think AIMS exam. But it's still NEET. A concave mirror cannot form. And these are the type of question that you are going to get straightforward.
Virtual image of a virtual object.
See, you have redeemed yourself. Congratulations. This is how you redeem yourself. You are like cash vouchers. Sometimes the cash voucher may not work, but that doesn't mean that is not a correct voucher. You can apply it again and it works. These are the type of questions you are going to get better in your NEET exam. The questions are pretty damn simple. Do you see it? Yes or no? No or yes?
Yes, sir.
Arey, sir. Everyone say, sir. That the questions are simple, sir. Why we are we doing tough questions, sir, when these type of questions don't come? Because, beta, if they make tough paper, they might give you such questions as well. And my job is to prepare you for the toughest possible paper. Here comes one more before we wind up this class. Again from your NEET. Tell me. Remember, they ask the same question in different ways. If an object is 30 centimeters away from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters, the image would be A, B, C, D. Oh, Abhiram has given me the answer, I think. No, KVC has given me the answer. KVC. Oh, that means the other class has given me the answer who does not have a mic. No, they have gone there and given me the answer, and the other class is just sitting and I tell you, what do I do?
It is dimension.
Arey, same question we did. Focal length is 15 centimeters, my dear friends, and the object is 30 centimeters. So where is the object placed? Where is the object placed? The object is placed at the
center of curvature.
How many times you have to remember this?
So it is of same size.
It is of same size, my dear friend. That is the answer, dear. Do we understand this?
Yes,
so
sir.
these are the type of questions that you are going to encounter. Okay? So we will be solving more questions of this type, 2 or 3 more questions, so that we cover each type of question that can come in this category for you. I will wind off this class here. The time is already over. I hope you have understood what we have done in today's class. Yes or no? Can I have some raised hands from everyone? The only thing you have to remember, my dear friends, is three simple formulae. F is R by 2. You have to remember where is the image form for different positions of the object. If you can remember even that beta, I can assure you 95 to 98% of the questions will be coming from that part. Object is here, where is the image? Object is here, where is the image? Object is here, where is the image? And if they even give you any numerical, it will be object is here, where is the image? What is the magnification? That is all that they are going to ask ever in your NEET exam. Okay? So please just work on it. And in the next class, I might be sending you a sheet so that you have a sheet in front of you and you can tick, karo, and you can move ahead in life. Okay? So I'll see you in the next class.
Bye,
And
sir.
please, when you come to the next class, please, it's a very simple request. Please study what we have done in today's class before coming to the next class. Can you do that for me?
Yes, sir.
Then I will see you in the next class. Take care. Have a nice day, beta.
Bye, sir. Take care, sir.
God bless all of you, beta.